This is video 4 for week 8, and it covers slide 14 and slide 15. So when you provide a client with an answer, some training resources, some support at your IT help desk, so whether it's virtual or face-to-face or over the phone, sometimes it's just going to be a verbal answer, but sometimes you're going to direct them to a resource for them to use. So how can you make sure that you're incorporating universal design for learning and including multiple representations or having that available? So remember, you might just ask them, what kind of a learning resource would you prefer? Like what format would you prefer? What kind of way would you like to learn this information? Would you like to watch a video demonstration? Would you like a PDF booklet that has step-by-step instructions with images? Some people prefer to have a lot of text and writing in the book with descriptions. Okay, so think about if you're looking for information about a country. You could get information in an atlas on a map. You could use a gazetteer, which is a textual description of information about a country. You could watch a video, right? So think about how you could offer the same information, but in different ways, right? The same information, but in different ways. That's the multiple representations. And then the other part is multiple ways of engaging with that information. So again, let's just presume that print PDF document. You could direct your user to that link, and then you could offer to stay online because maybe they like to have somebody with them as they walk through the instructions, or maybe they don't want you hanging over their shoulder. So you might say, I'm available if you need additional help. Or when you send them that document, maybe it has a way for them to have hypertext links to just the sections they need, and they don't have to go through the whole document from beginning to end, right? They can do it in an order that works for them. They can repeat certain parts over and over again. And another way might be, like I said, the non-linear access to really chunk and segment things so that the user can get to the pieces that they need to. So those are just a couple of ideas on how you could incorporate UDL when you're creating those support resources for learners to use when you answer their questions at your help desk. So that concludes video 4, and the final video will just be an overview of the activity that we'll do during class time if you're able to join us.